Welcome to Essential Drawing, Line, an element of art, blind contour line drawing, and the contour line drawing. Objectives. Explore line quality. Learn the value of blind contour drawing, and practice a contour line drawing. You will need drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser, and an object to draw. Let's begin. In this lesson, we'll explore the element of art, line. A line can be consistent. It can start darker and fade away. A line can be wide and gradually thin. A line doesn't have to be straight. It can be wavy or loopy, creating shapes where it passes over itself. A line can be rigid and angular. Some lines create special relationships, like right angles. A line can be a symbol, the spiral. And of course, a line can carry deep meaning, like in language. I'm now going to create a blind contour drawing. A blind contour drawing is a drawing made by tracing an object with your eyes and moving your hand to match the speed of your eyes tracing the object. In order to create a blind contour drawing, you look only at the object and not your paper. A blind contour drawing is made with a single line, so I won't pick my pencil up off the paper. If my eyes stop tracing, my pencil will stop. When my eyes start moving again, my pencil will move along with it. A blind contour drawing is an exercise that helps connect your hand and your eyes using small motor skills. By contrast, I'll create a contour line drawing, not blind. Here I'll look at both my paper and the object. But it's important to note that I'll spend half or more of my time studying the object. Often, we spend too much time and too much energy worrying about the drawing itself, while there's an answer to the drawing sometimes right in front of us, in this case, the hammer. It's like taking a test, only I get to look at the answers while I'm doing it. Blind contour drawing encourages art students to look more at the object and less at their paper. A contour drawing follows the edges of a form, sometimes called an outline, but also the edges of ridges inside of the form, like the corners of the hammer. It doesn't include shading. It's more of a character study of an object. Unlike the blind contour drawing, in a contour drawing you should stop and make corrections. The mistakes in the blind contour drawing are of no concern. The drawing itself is of no concern, only the process. It's like a drill in a sport that might train you to better perform during the game. And the contour drawing is the game. I'm using some extra lines that are not part of the hammer just to help me align one part of the hammer with another. Almost done. Though the contour drawing is more accurate, it's made possible through the practice of the blind contour drawing. Use blind contour drawings as warm-ups before a longer drawing session. Often I like to partially erase my drawings and redraw sections for clarity. It's not always necessary to erase everything. Just to reiterate that lines can be light or dark, I'll add a couple of lighter contour lines on the handle and on the head of the hammer. Thank you for watching Essential Drawing.